How to check deleted messages on Snapchat. Let's begin with the video. First thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Next, at the top right corner of the screen, click on the gear icon. Now scroll down the menu until you find the account action. Here select My Data option. Once you are logged in, you will see a multiple list of options for exporting your Snapchat information. Ensure that the chat history is selected. This includes your deleted messages data. Then hit Next. Now you will be asked to choose the range of date you want to export. Once you have made your choice, ensure the email address is correct and hit Submit button to proceed. Here you will see the export option. Click on it and hit Download to get your data. Once the file has been downloaded, go back to your home screen and open the File Manager app on your device. Find the downloaded file and tap on it to extract the contents. After extracting the file, select the HTML file. Then click on the chat history. Here you can view all your deleted messages on Snapchat. There you go. Now you know how to check deleted messages on Snapchat.